Welcome to Autoscript. Right, first thing I'll do is try example of simple alignment. What I'll do is some of the news files. I'll process all of them, there's too many of them. I have about 4 of those. Four of them. That's the same format. Try again. Whoop. Audio. And for the actual HA, you can do them all. If they're in different folders, you can select. There you go, select those. If you've got any more in a different folder, you can press add and select a different folder and add some more in there afterwards. It'll keep adding. It automatically selects a file to align to. Just press OK. It'll process those images. It might take a while, so I'm going to pause the video. Say the script is finished. I don't need to add any more images, so I'll say no to that. I'll look at the image itself. Not too bad. Bit noisy, but not too bad. And very nice. Let's see if I've got the very unusual box marks is around the edges, so I'm going to do is dynamic crop. Double click. Then draw the box and then rotate it a bit like that. Jump down, but still. So I want the fiddly. Okay, I've drawn the box around the area I want. And what you need to do is drag the triangle to each of the other two filters. And I'll tick the box for the last one, it's automatically done then. Close that, that's done. So now I've got 3 images, all line up perfect. Next script, I'm going to merge the images to make a colour image. If you've got a DSLR or a colour camera, you only have one image. As I've got 3 images for different filters, it automatically fills in the actual files for you. If you've got a DSLR or a colour camera, you put the image in here, or you can do an RGB filters in here and a loom or HA filter into the 4th one. It will do all the rest for you. If you're doing RGB pictures or DSLR, you leave it on RGB palette. Or the linked RGB. If you're actually doing narrowband, then it's on linked RGB palette. Colour histogram enhances the colours if you've got a really smooth image. I'll turn that off for now. It can be noisy if the image is not smooth. That's if you've got M42 or M31 messier objects that actually are overexposed areas that are too bright. This will fix the problem, but at the moment we don't need that for now. That's cropping around the edge of the screen if needed. I've done the crop already, doing a dynamic crop, so I won't need that. This is the background glow noise reduction. This is how many times it repeats the job to try and complete the background of each filter. So if you've got a glow in the corner or glow in the middle of the screen that shouldn't be there, it'll try and extract it. The light noise reduction is how much noise it gives on the actual light frame, which you can combine all the images together to make a light frame. I mean, that's quite low normally, but on the DSLR it might be about 2.5. And then on the actual colour on the actual DSLR might be 3.5. But this is quite low, quite low noise camera. It's okay to continue. I'll process that and see how we get on, and I'll pause the video. It takes a long while to process the images. I could have cropped it. You've got to say yes to these boxes. Okay, the script just finished. I can get rid of these images now. Don't need those now. Miss that one, I can do that as well. Now what I do now is comparing the actual original image with the noise reduction images. It's a bit smarter, a bit clearer. Got some of the speckles. There's still some there, but so we'll work on that next stage. I'll close that, put it in the corner in case you want to restart again for any reason. Right, that's the first job. So we've done aligning, we've done merge image into a colour image. Now we use this one out, just using masks to do colour enhancements, star reduction, and the colour palette as well, automatically. This one's a hub. If you got any background glow at all, you can turn that on. It'll remove any glow that shouldn't be there. If you got colour or DSLR image, select the first palette. We're doing Hubble palette today for narrowband. I'll click on that palette. Don't pick all three, just pick one of the palettes. Single loop comes out red and blue. That looks quite nice in that single loop palette as well. Noise level's a bit higher today, so I'll leave it at 1 because I only stacked a few images. Smooth colouring, that works well as well. If you've got any speckled images, it smooths it out. Star reduction works quite well for the actual get around some of the detail in the stars, just overpowering the image. Again, you should sharpen the image when it's finished as well. I'll press OK and get on with it. It's processing away. I'll pause the video again. The script is completed. Done a nice job. What you can actually do now is actually what you can actually do now is zoom in a bit, Control Z to undo any images process that's been done. I'll turn off the actual masking. You can see the image. You can see what's been doing over the past few stretches. Smoothed out, sorted the stars out. Not too bad, not too bad. What we'll do next is enhance the colours and the darkness and the brightnesses of the actual individual image. Just tidy up those images, don't need those. Right, next script. I'm going to remove any pink and saturation. It looks a bit strange if an image looks a bit pink. Next, I'm going to do the dark areas of the palette using a mask to mask the dark areas, enhance the colour and then the light as well. Gives a pop-up box to say explain how to use the thing. So press on the circle for the preview. Open the preview. Press on the S to select the saturation curve. Change the curve much as you like. You can see what you like. Once you're happy with it, apply it, and then close the actual curve and the actual preview box. So basically, click on the preview, click on the S for saturation, and then change the saturation curve depending on what you enjoy, like seeing. And also you can change the RGB to get the darkness correct as well. It's just one of playing to see what you like the best. I quite like that. I might increase the saturation a bit more. I'll go with that for now because I'm going to do this more saturation afterwards. Press apply, the square button, press the reset in the corners to see what your actual image is like, and if you want to enhance the colour or the saturation a bit more, you can do afterwards. I'm okay with that for the moment because I'm going to enhance it a colour into the actual light mask. Right, next script. The light mask, so it uses light and protects the dark areas. Again, same thing, same buttons. Circle, S and square to apply. So circle to go in the preview. Looks a bit too saturated, so I'll bring it down a bit. Oops, wrong button. Not too bad. RGB light, let's see what we'll get over the colours. So it's all to do with what you like to see. I quite like that, it's not too bad at all. I'll apply that. Reset the filters again. Happy with that, I'll close that. Oops, close that. Close that. Don't need these actual images now, they only need light masks. Let's have a close look at this image. Not too bad, not too bad. So you can mess about the actual curves as much as you like. You can also finalise the image by going to enhance detail. So it's an automatic script, so and that's done now. We have a completed image. So you can save as JPEG or save as fits and then carry on processing much as you like. You can also then go back to script again and go back to mask noise again. You can enhance it even further still. Depends how bad or good your image is, depends what you need to do with it. You can process it individually, so you can actually do more noise reduction or turn these off, or do more star reduction and turn the noise reduction off. So keep reprocessing. So just have fun and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.